Hi, today I will show you how I've made this magnetic chess box. For a long time I wanted to make a magnetic 3D printed chess box, and I found those great 3D printed chess set and you can insert a magnet inside. So I've decided to make an additional chess box to it and make a beautiful set. All the pieces are printed with PLA. This one is Fiberlogy Black Easy PLA. This one is eNotepad Wood PLA. I've always wanted to make a dovetailed one, and this is how it turned out. I'm pretty happy how this project came out. So this is the box itself. As you can see, there is a piano hinge. All the pieces are 3D printed. Here are magnets, so the box can be closed shut. And here you can see the steel sheets inside. I still need to paint them so they will look better, but for now it is good enough. And all the pieces are 3D printed, and here you can see that there is a dovetail, and here also on this side and this side it came out pretty nice. And obviously this is magnetic, so you can just play it in every orientation you want to. There are a few disadvantages of this design. The most time-consuming part is to glue all the pieces right here. There are like 64 of these big squares and a few of these edges, and I had to glue it manually, so it took quite some time. Otherwise, the assembly is pretty straightforward and easy. You just put all the pieces together like in this animation. I was worried that the magnetic latch won't be strong enough, but as I can see it works really great. So I won't add another latch here. From this side and this side it looks really nice and square. The dovetails are pretty nice. This is one of the most time-consuming 3D printed projects I've ever made, because after printing all the parts you need to assemble it, and this is pretty straightforward. You're just making a box, but gluing all the pieces here on both halves of the box was really time-consuming, and I also need to sand them a little bit to fit perfectly. Also, as you can see here on the edge, this one is pretty nice, and this one needs some sanding to do. And also, when you open it, it doesn't open all the way through, and the hinge should be a little bit more recessed, but it is okay.